Understanding Golden Handcuffs, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore interesting English phrases and idioms that can add flair to your language skills. Today, we're diving into the intriguing phrase, golden handcuffs. This term is quite popular in professional contexts, but what does it really mean? Let's unlock its secrets together. Golden handcuffs refer to a set of financial incentives, benefits, or contractual agreements provided by an employer to encourage valuable employees to remain with the company. Imagine handcuffs made of gold. They are attractive and valuable, yet they restrict freedom. Similarly, these incentives are enticing and beneficial, but they also make it harder for employees to leave the job. The phrase, golden handcuffs, likely originated in the corporate world. It is used to describe scenarios where employees are lured by lucrative benefits like high salaries, bonuses, stock options, or pension plans. These perks are golden because of their value, but they act as handcuffs because they encourage employees to stay, often for a certain period, even if they might prefer to move to another company or retire. 1. Job scenario. Imagine a software engineer who wants to start her own company. However, her current job offers a hefty year-end bonus. These are her golden handcuffs. 2. Business decisions. A CEO might have stock options that vest over several years. Leaving the company early would mean losing these benefits, another form of golden handcuffs. While commonly used in a business environment, the concept of golden handcuffs can apply in other scenarios too. For instance, in relationships or life choices, where comfort and security might prevent someone from pursuing other opportunities or dreams. So, there you have it. The phrase, golden handcuffs, encapsulates a complex trade-off between lucrative benefits and personal freedom. It's a vivid metaphor that you might encounter in professional conversations. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful language learning content. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.